Up na. Huwag gusto. Bibi, wag. Yan.
At isang time,
Wag, gusto. Ulit.
she's the and I really want to I'm searching to find then happy birthday po to tell her I love her and I'm sorry for the things I've done. I'll find her standing in front of the church, the only place in town where healing search. She looks so happy in wedding face, but she's crying while she's saying this. Boy, I miss your kisses, all the time that pleases. 25 minutes too late. Told you travel so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Yeah, I guess it's not. I'm going home again. Wishing me back to the time when we're more than friends. Let's see her from the church. Don't. Wow! She was so happy. Because I was young. But she got what she was saying. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. I told you that it's so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Out in the street, out in the street, there's where hungry cause left not to eat. Inside my head, still I can hear what you say. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but is it 25 minutes too late? Kasi talaga ang buhay. Oh, you have come so far. Boy, I'm sorry you minutes too late. But your kisses all the time, and this is 25 minutes too late to you. Tuloy na ako. Sorry you are 25 minutes too late. I can still hear her say, wala ko gusto.
Dati talaga. Pakort ako. Pakort mo.